is a blanket religious test. Is that consistent with the First Amendment?
Senator, we have a free exercise clause that protects the free exercise of religious liberties by all persons in this country. If you're asking me how I apply it to a specific case, I can't talk about that for understandable reasons.
Well, could the president...
The understandable reasons, just so you know, I'm frank and candid with you as I can be. Senator, when you asked me to apply it to a set of facts that look an awful lot like a pending case in many circuits now,
I'll try hypothetical. Would the president have the authority to ban all Jews from the United States or all people that come from Israel?
Senator,
would that be an easy question?
We have a Constitution, and it does guarantee free exercise. It also guarantees equal protection of the laws and a whole lot else besides. And the Supreme Court in Zavidas has held that due process rights extend even to undocumented persons in this country. Okay? I will apply the law. I will apply the law faithfully and fearlessly and without regard to persons.
How about
I don't care.
Regard to religion?
Anyone, any law is going to get a fair and square deal with me. My job as a judge is to treat litigants who appear in front of me as I wished to be treated when I was a lawyer with my client, large or small. I didn't want them discriminated against because they were a large company or a small individual with an unpopular belief. And that's the kind of judge I've tried to be, Senator. And I think that's my record.
Well, Judge, let me ask you this. Do you agree with me that there should not be a religious test in the United States?
I need to know more specifically.
Well, let me give you an example. Should there be a religious test to serve in the military?
Oh, Senator, that would be inappropriate. Yes, that's against the law. That's against the law.
Or of course, we go right back to the question: do we ban people based solely on the religion? Solely on their religion.
Senator, we have the religious...
Not whether they form a threat or something, but you ban somebody solely on their religion.
Senator, we have not just the First Amendment free exercise clause in this country. Very important protection. We have not just the equal protection guarantee of the 14th Amendment, which prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, gender, ethnicity. We also have the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, as Senator Hatch mentioned, which was a bipartisan bill passed by this body with support of Senator Kennedy and Senator Schumer when he was in the House. And that imposes an even higher standard on the government than the First Amendment when it comes to religious discrimination. It says that if there's any sincerely held religious belief, earnestly held religious belief, the government must meet strict scrutiny before it may regulate on that basis. Strict scrutiny being the highest standard known in American law.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.